Namaste friends, today I talk about a bad rumor about Makali, that is Makali's son Mashan Thakur. One day Makali was ba- taking baths in a pond. On that time, they are walking on the way, walking Yamraj. Yamraj feeling love to Makari, and Yamraj and Makari's sons are Mashan Thakur. Mas and when Mashan Thakur born, Makari cut his navel and threw in the pond. From there, Komishak is growing. So, a rhyme in Bengali, ভাদ্র মাসে যেই জনা কলমি শাক খায়, মাসানের নাভি সে অবশ্য চিবায়. What is this foolish legend?